In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply animations to different elements in Google Slides. So basically, I have this slide and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements on my slide in this document. And I want to apply animation to this one. So basically, this part is going to be appearing first when this slide starts, and then followed by this text, and then eventually this picture. So if you want to apply something like that, where the animation is progressing one by one, you have to first apply an animation to the first element. So in that case, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this text box, and after that, go to Insert, and then click Animation. This should be around here. Oh, this is the menu. Okay, Animation. Now you will see that this is the text box that allows us to control a lot of animation aspect for our presentation. And here I want to change the animation to be fly in from the top. And for the trigger is going to be after previous or with previous. I think for the first element is going to be with previous. Basically, when the slides start appearing, the animation will start, and then you can adjust the duration of the animation. But in this case, I'm not going to change anything on that. And after that, I want to add another animation for this element. So I'm going to click on it and then click Add Animation. Again, it's the same. I'm going to apply some animation. For this one, is going to be fly in from the left, and the trigger is either after previous or with previous, but ideally for the second element to the very last, you want to start with after previous. So the animation will start after this one has finished. So click after previous, and then you're set. Of course, you can adjust the time or the duration again, but I'm not going to do any of that. So let's move on to the third element. Let's click Add Animation. This one is going to be fly in from the left. The trigger is going to be after previous, and lastly this picture, but this one I'm going to apply a different animation. It's going to be fly in from the right, and it's going to be after previous. And there you go. Now each element on this slide has an animation, and you can test it by clicking the play button, and it will show you what it's going to look like when you are presenting this document. You'll see that the element, appearing one by one when you're presenting the document. So yeah, that's basically how you can add animation to elements in your Google Slide presentation.